Another Wednesday morning with Jessica. Woo! Alright, Jessica, why don't you tell me about your Valentine's Day?
Valentine's Day is fine. We didn't do anything. This interview's gonna suck. I'm letting you know right now.
What did you think of Phantom of the Opera?
It's good. I'm not gonna give you anything. Nothing. Stay away.
Jessica, who got 100% on their math test?
Oh, I forgot her name. Some girl.
Who was it?
Stop! It's you.
Yes. Say it. Say the whole thing.
No.
Megan got 100% on
Why
her
are
math
we making
test.
a video of you? Riley?
What about it?
I'm not gonna give you anything to work off of.
That's cruel. Okay, fine. What should I talk about?
I'm not gonna give you anything to work off of.
I could talk about my girl date.
Talk
On
about
Valentine's Day, I went on a girl date.
How
I
was
cheated
this
on
girl
Jessica.
date?
You know what? I was really disappointed. Like, I don't know. I would have rather gone on like a regular date with like a guy, but instead,
This is me frowning. Disappointment.
instead I went to the Los Angeles Public Library with a girl who I thought would be really fun to hang out with, and ended up being okay, I guess. Like, by the end of our little girl date, I like knew her entire psychotherapeutic history. Was none the wiser for it, so I guess that was okay. And then I went to work and I watched all the couples come in and like love each other and shit.
Not love you.
No,
It's okay.
it's okay. I'm alright with my state, I guess.
You look so sad right now.
What? Stop it. Yeah, so that was my girl date. And then we went to Phantom of the Opera the next day. Not she and I, but Jessica and Tadavik and I. That was really cool. Like halfway through, I leaned over to Jessica. I was like, I don't know what's happening, but I like it. And she was like, oh, baby Megan.
And had to explain it to her.
They were singing in very operatic tones. I couldn't understand. And then I got really sick, and you could still kind of hear it in my voice, but I stayed home yesterday. And I did yoga, and I ironed my dollar bills. I was so bored. I literally took all the money out of my wallet and ironed it. That was a new low for
Eventful.
me. So yeah.
Alright, baby
Stop.
Megan. We're leaving you.
All right.